Well, if you don't mind, you just have to watch this video na medyo mahaba siguro, but well, maybe this is convincing enough what I can say about the Lotus. These are the boxes. Nag-enjoy na kami, by the way. So you just have to see the video. This is the buy one take one promo ng what? Okay, video unboxing sabi nila. This is the buy one take one promo ng kabayo. This is from Lotus. This is the Sawhorse table nilang bago. Now this is buy one take one from Lazada. Okay, 99 yata. 99 Lazada sale na. Sabi na your unboxing, we check your orders, we pack it properly, blah blah blah. This is nicely done na box. At mabigat ba, Wilson?
Yep.
Yeah, actually, yeah, this is heavy. Mga around, 20 kilograms. Yeah, sort of, or more than that. And that's it. Medyo mahaba talaga siya. At mabigat. So, this is it. This is the Lotus Sawhorse. Okay, kita nyo naman. Medyo malaki. And these are the details na ipapakita ko soon. I don't know either kung anong details meron dito. But this is the clip, both sides. Alam mo yan, para ma-extend yung height. Or again, this is padded with, grit. Para non-slip siya kahit anong ipatong nyo. And the handles are a little flimsy and I doubt it na magtatagal na again. This is a cheap Sawhorse on-site Sawhorse. Okay, the strength, I can easily say na yeah, this is a medium strength sa tingin ko, but it got everything. Dito ka mag-fit ng 2x4. Okay, I have a 2x4 here. It will fit 2x4 ng mga ano dito. And again, since this is padded with a grit, yep, pwede kayo maglagari agad-agad dyan, okay? And of course, the height. But my comment for this is actually, it's not a one release button, except meron siyang 1 and 2, and medyo nahirapan ako sa pangalawa. The first is actually smooth. Again, that's lagyan nyo ng silicone silicone sealant or silicone what do you mean, Wilson? Ano yan? Silicone lubricants, okay? Maybe it can improve everything else, since hindi ito isang one click kagaya ng mga top brands. But then it's cheap. It's a Philippine brand, support it. Can you carry it, Wilson? It's light, by the way. Wilson is a little short person, pero kayang-kaya niya. And what? These are the details. These are the details. It's good. It's well painted. And these are all metal. And this is some sort, hindi ko alam kung anong gamit nito, ba't nakaganito, no? Maybe it will catch sawdust. And details dito sa loob niya. Okay, tsaka crevice. That crevice is actually para matago yung paa niya. And the legs, to spread it, it's not a complaint, but it's a little tricky. You need a little force for the first time. Just ewan ko kapag paulit-ulit. That's my little input. I'm not saying anything else, man. But this is a great product with its price. Then go. See, this is lightweight. Kayang yung ano yan. This is lightweight. We'll assemble the other one, and we will show you later on kung anong looks na yung dalawang buy one take one na to. Taas mo pa mo And guys, ito na yung gamit niya talaga. It's a horsey ride.
Oh.
Thunder. Thunder, 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 thunder. Thunder, 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 thunder. If yung video kanina, yung segment kanina, hindi kami makakukuha ng likes, and you will hate this video, Wilson, can you jump a little bit? Yeah, it doesn't wiggle. It doesn't wiggle. That's it. No? And I'm going to push. Yep. This is not a flimsy structure ng Lotus. I mean product ng Lotus. It's not even flimsy, guys. Sige, Wilson, ganun mga higing eh. Yeah, the lateral force sideways. Sideways. Can you do sideways? Look. It's not even actually wiggling or walang. Well, actually, nagkamali yata ako sa sinabi kong medyo medium strength. But again, this is 2,000 pounds. See the video. This is strong enough for most of the jobs. Ang rattle. Wala nga akong nakikitang weakness dito or flimsy materials. This is actually good. It's less than 2,000 each. This is a good steal from Lotus. Ewan ko kung nagpalugi sila. Thank you for this product. Okay. Now we go to assembly ng isang then we will try it. We will try it. I have a cutting board here. Ito yung cutting board ko. Ipapatong natin na how really this will go. Okay. Additional video before we reach the conclusion ng dalawang sawhorse. This is A, B, C, D height. Ibig sabihin, yeah, you can extend the legs longer than it should sa normal position niya. Now we test it with wiggling test, okay? Now this is the maximum height. That is about 1 meter. Nandito sa ko. Tanan, nandyan sa waistline. That is about 1 meter, and this is the wiggle test ng 1 meter height for this Lotus. Okay. Can you wiggle it, Wilson? Actually, it's not wiggling. Okay. Oh, okay. Hindi pantay, but again, for the purpose ng wiggling test, hindi siya pantay. Nasa G lang sa kabila. Nasa G lang, but again, nasa H dito. How bad are you, Wilson, no? Hindi mo pinantay. Ay, balik ka para sa wiggling test. Oh, wiggle. And for the front, ito pinupush ko na to. Yep. I can hardly wiggle it or sige, Wilson. Hello again, this is the test, torture test. Actually, hindi naman torture masyado kasi 2x2s pa lang to. But 2x2s, yeah. And I have this, it's another brand, blue brand. Now, for the second test, ipapatong ko tong cutting board nito. And we'll do somewhat, no need to prove, wala talaga siyang wiggle. This is a sturdy sawhorse. Now I have this first sawhorse and the second sawhorse. You know what you can do with this on site. Marami na nga akong gustong bilhin na ganito, by the way. Again, these are sturdy and I will put them into test. Then, this is a simple test ng 2x2s, okay? Whether you like it or not. I will start right away. I'm going to hold this. Simple lang naman. I'm going to just test. 1, 2, hanggang 3 times lang siguro. Yep, okay. Again, what I can do with this is my first time to use ng mga sawhorse na, you know, some mechanical like this. I have the sawhorse. Can you show Wilson yung sawhorse natin ng kahoy?
Get down a little bit. Yeah.
Okay. Yan yung nakikita nyo sa look how bad it is, but again, it's serving for us. 12 years. Again, this is kung gusto nyo ng 2x2, these are usually for 2x4s, 2x3 para ma-extend nyo dito. Yep. Again, if you have 2x4, this is the main use for this. Para mapagkabit nyo. But I I don't think I have my 2x4s here. And again, what you can do with this is actually you can link it. But again, if you're cutting plywood, I would rather I would rather use that cutting board. Can you show it? I would rather use my cutting board. Okay. Yan, this is another test. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, madali lang talaga mag-cut dito. So I can go cut. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. At hindi siya nadudulas. If you must see, this pad, okay, grid pad, is actually non-slip. Yep, it's good. And can just for a while. Going back here. Yeah, just one plyboard Sawhorse. It's not impossible to use. Well, it's very possible to use it like that. Okay, and you can cut it. And again, I'm just showing up. Talagang sturdy lang talaga yung product nito. Konti lang ikakat ko. Anyway. And again, always safe para paggamit ng power tool. Okay, I'm not wearing any protective from my eyes, but you don't do that. Starting. Then on the next video, we are going to show na this can hold at least my cutting board. Stop it. This is not part of my video, by the way. This is not part of the product. I'm just showing na kung ano mga ginawa ko sa Sawhorse ko para lang mag-fix and something like that na parang old school, old style. But I enjoy doing that for how many years. I'm just showing na maraming possibility for us to increase your productivity by using this. Yeah, okay. I did drill holes kuminsan directly pa sa Sawhorse para hindi gumalaw yung cutting board ko. Charan! Now this is my favorite cutting board na plywood lang naman. Normally I would stack with this dalawang layer ng plywood, and I would would slice it again using that mababang or yung wood na Sawhorse. That's not bad anyway, but these are cool. Ang ganda tingnan. And starting yun ang binabanggit ko. Yeah, just what I'm saying, I use normally dalawang sheet. Why you should buy this? Una mura talaga. And second, it doesn't swing, it doesn't wiggle. Even nakita nyo naman yung wiggle test natin. There's the 60 or 70 kilo guy standing up, and that is one and two good thing about this. I don't want to say this, but mostly yep, I'm having a hard time. This muntik na ako maipit din kanina, pati yung kasama ko. Yeah. And by the way, yep, this first button is easier to release rather than the second button. Talagang medyo mahirap. But again, you should buy it. You should buy it. I'm so tired enough because talagang medyo mainit ngayon. Yeah, that's the nicest guy. And is it good, Wilson? Yep. Okay. Can you stand over there? Yep. So this is me. Medyo mahaba yan, but that's a test, actual test. Okay. Kahit palagyan nyo ng plywood to na sheets, Lotus Sawhorse is the the Sawhorse to bake. Okay. Never mind kung di ako makakuha ng likes dahil sa ginawa niyang horse yung kasama ko, yung Sawhorse na to. But we did enjoy this making. Buy lots of Sawhorse you can.